Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, November the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle. The 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. The killer Sudoku, and this one, the Sudoku with 4 stars. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not now. Now I will continue with these 2 puzzles. News of today. Well, I've told you this Saturday, Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson, a boxing match. Yeah. All right. This will be number 9596. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 2 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me start with the 8. There's a lot of 8s. 8 in this column, 8 in the 3rd column. So the column between 2nd column, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. 8 in the 3rd row, 8 in the 2nd row, so in the 1st row. Only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Let me see. How about the number 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the 2nd column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 3. I need a 5 here also. 1 9 1 9 196. Come on. I'm waiting. 1. Need a 9 here. Need 2 there. Need 2 there. 4 here. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 5. We have a 5 in the 1st column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box level 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5. Need a 5 here. I need a 6 there. 6 there. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in that box. 1 box left of the 6 in this big square. Should be there. And I need a 6 here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the 2nd column. So the 5th column, the only place level 6 should be there. 6. need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 2 numbers left now in the middle column for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. Okay. And the 4 here. 1, 5, 7, 5, 5. 7. 1, 4. Need a 4 here. Well, in the last row, we need a 4. Here can be 4. We have 4 in this column. No 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. Only place level 4 in the last row. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last row for numbers the 1. And it's missing the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 7. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, let me mark those. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Need a 1 here. No 5 here, no 5 there, need a 5 there. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have 4 in the column next, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. The only place level 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 place level 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. Cannot continue with the 4 now. 3. Okay. Come on. We have a 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places level 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next, on the last column, the only 3 places level 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 in the third row, no 6 there. The only place level 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 7. I need a 2 here. 2. 2, 7, and there. 3. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1. 2 is missing. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in this row, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 2 then. Yeah, also 1 and a 9 are left in this row. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. On the last column, the only place level 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2. Need a 3 here. 2, 3, and the 9 is missing here. 2 and the 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2, 9, and the 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 5 here. One. Well, in this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in this box. We have a 1 in this row, middle row, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay, need the 5, need the 3 here. I'm stuck here. Need a 2 here, and I need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Need a 9 here. One, 2, 3. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Ay, 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 ay. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 9, and the 7. Well, 1 in this column, 1 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7, 3, 7 in 3, 5. Well, in this column, 3 missing numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. Well, we have a 7 here, so here can be 7. So the 3 and the 5 are left. So we have a pair here, 3 and a 5. That means the other two numbers should be the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those. Okay, now we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left with 3 should be there then. 3, 5, and a 9. We need a 9 in this big square. Well, here can be 9. We have a 9 in this column. So 9 is. So 9 could be here, could be there. Here, 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. The only place left for 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for 4 should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be in. A 5 goes and there. 2, 2. Well, made a mistake here. Not 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there. So not the 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and a 7. Almost made a mistake. Need to correct this. Well, we have a 5 in this column, so this box should be the 5. This box will be 7 then. Yeah, 7 this row, this should be a 7. 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. This should be a 5, because here can be 5, we have a 5 in the third column. This box should be a 7 then, okay. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 5 are left. We have a 5 now in this first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Okay, so 2 and a 9 are left. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers to 1. The 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. 7 and a 3. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have 1 in this row, so this can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 1 box left. 1 or 9. We have a 1 now, so this box should be a 9. 9, 9, 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Well, 2 and a 7. Here, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here in this column. So this can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 7 then. 2 in this column. First column. 2 in the second column. So the third column. The only 2 place level 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and a 3. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 7 goes there. 60 minutes again. Same as the previous logo. Well, yeah, definitely 2 stars. But we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.